Hey YouTube, welcome to this channel. Please do not fail to subscribe, share and like this video, and don't also fail to leave your thoughts in the comment section. This is a breaking news. 3 rival gang members accusing the mother of Jacksonville rapper JULIO FOOLIO has been arrested by the police. Their names are Alicia Andrews, Isaiah Chance, Sean Gatwright. Here is a moment of their arrest as captured by the body cam of the policeman.
Open the car door! Let me see your hands! Step on out! Step on out! Look away! Back up to the sound of my voice! Yep. Stop right there. Lift your shirt up. Turn. Do a 360.
What?
Just listen to us. We'll talk about it. Keep going. Keep going. Turn. Turn. Now walk back to the sound of my voice. Come on. Keep coming. 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 Walk back to me.
Hands behind your back.
On the Anytime Fitness, it was at 4:13 is when that thing was.
Isaiah Chance, this is the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. We are in your front driveway. We have a warrant for your arrest. Come to the front door with nothing in your hands. We are not going away.
We're headed your way to a...
Hands
Come
up!
on out, with your hands up.
You're good. Come on out. Hands up.
Come
Put
on
your
out,
hands
with
up.
your hands up. Bring it to the officer.
Can't tell.
Target? Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah. Yep. Put your hands up!
Listen, put your
hands in the air. Hands up.
Hands in the air. Hands in the air.
All right. Slowly walk toward me. Let's go. Right here. Right here. Walk right here. Let's go. Yeah.
Walk this way. Listen to the instructions.
Yep.
Hey, keep your hands up and walk out towards me. Hey, over here.
Come this way.
Over here. You're going to get hit with the less lethal. Get your hands up and walk toward me. Hands up and walk toward me. Hands up and walk toward me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop. Stop. Turn around. Keep your hands up. Turn around. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Hands up. Don't reach for your waist. Do not reach for your waist. Look at me. Back up to me. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. All right. Go to your knees. Put your hands behind your back. Stay there. Stay there. Don't move.
Isaiah? Isaiah?
Stand up. Isaiah Chance, right? Face that way.
Both suspects in custody. Is Andrews there or no?
Keep walking. Keep walking. Now turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Is there anybody else inside?
Julio was shot and killed on the 23rd of June, 2024, while celebrating his birthday. It was a very early morning shootout that multiples of bullets was written on his body, which eventually led to his demise. Well, I'm so glad the police have made some arrests, but for now, they still remain suspect until proven guilty, and they're going to be proven guilty with due investigation and interrogation. I believe justice is going to take its course, and whoever that did it, the masterminder, whoever that partook in that shootout, will eventually be brought to book. So guys, let me know what you think about this video and even the arrest. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and if you've not subscribed to this video, please do subscribe, share and like it. I'll see you on our next video.
Keep going straight. What are we doing?